So you think fossil fuels are the best energy source we have? Well, you're completely, utterly wrong. There is a chance you believe that fossil fuels are clean, like coal. In this case, your stupidness reaches a whole new level. You are probably bullied by your own friends every time you start to speak. But anyway, maybe you think oil is life, or shall I say, oil was life. Then maybe there's a reason it's dead. Maybe you think that, you know what, it might not be the cleanest source energy out there, but it's definitely the cheapest, from what I say. You need to stop listening to Peter Pan and do some research yourself. Fossil fuels are definitely not the cheapest or remotely cheap energy source out there, Mr. Imbecile. Prices are a bit more complicated than what you see at the gas station or the commodity oil price. For a start, fossil fuels are completely plagued by subsidies. Lol, you don't know what is a subsidy? It's a measure of reducing cost for consumers and producers. For you simple mind, it means the government give money to the oil companies so that you can buy cheaper petrol at the station. This subsidy is called pre-tax subsidy, which accounts to $441 billion worldwide. Yeah, I know, that's just only enough for you to buy 450,000 Bugattis. You didn't know, right? But that's not it. There's also something called a post-tax subsidy, which takes into account the cost of environmental damage from fossil fuels, from global warming to pollution or road accidents. You guess this number is higher, right? Well, just a little. According to EMF, post-tax subsidy amounts to $4.9 trillion. That's the price of 57 Bill Gates. So imagine the price at the petrol station without this money. Coming back to your opinion that fossil fuels are clean. You know how we use these fuels, right? We burn them. This releases CO2, and this CO2 gets into your drink and turns to Coca-Cola. Yay! I mean, a very warm Coca-Cola, of course. And it also releases small particles like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which help with asthma and make us live much longer. Extractions of fossil fuels also generate waste, which makes the earth go black. The color of well-being and happiness. That's not all. Oil corrupts world trade. It's economically disastrous. Cheap oil increases fossil fuel consumption, which increases the cost of environmental damage, which drives oil companies out of business, and which impoverish oil-producing countries. On the other hand, expensive oil destroys world economy as most countries rely on oil to develop. And when oil gets expensive, everything gets expensive. Either way, you're screwed. I don't know about you, but I don't like to be screwed. No. But if that's not enough, oil makes people mad, like almost Trump mad. Have you heard of the Dutch disease? No, I will not do a joke on the cheese. It's crap anyway. It just tastes like paper. So this disease is, you're so blind by oil money that you forget that there's life outside of oil. A bit like Mayweather and Del Bilzerian. So countries like Russia or Venezuela focus so much on their fossil fuels that they forget to feed their own people. You can imagine the disaster when oil is very cheap. This creates political uprising, and happy people with their bats and masks take the street to peacefully protest. And I see you coming saying, yeah, fossil fuels are very reliable, we can store it everywhere, and we can use whenever we want, and there's a lot of it. That's because you are way too freaking selfish to only think about your ass. Imagine, I know it's very hard for you to imagine because your brain is off 24 hours a day, but imagine the world you leave behind for your children. And if you hate children, think about this cute giraffe. A world where this very, very reliable fuel is gone and no alternative to take his lead. That is as reliable as a blue unicorn. Because there's no blue unicorn, they're all white. And unicorns don't even exist at all. Oil is a poison, it's a drug. The world is addicted to it. We love it so bad. We invented plastic bags so we can walk around with it. We put it in cosmetics so we can pour it all over our faces. The world needs rehab, especially you. So you may think we need to thank fossil fuels for the industrial revolution, for being so successful as humans. Well, I agree. But similarly to a drug, it starts with amazing surreal effects. We love it. But it quickly goes out of control and it just consumes you. So let me ask you this question. If you believe that fossil fuels are really the best energy source, then what the hell do you compare it with? Some serious sarcasm.